What is going on, guys? Today, right now, I'm going to do a video on the Smok Novo. Okay. Sorry, gotta figure out which side the camera's on. Anyway, so a lot of people are having this problem. From what I hear, I can't really find a whole lot online about it, believe it or not. If I really go digging, it's there, but nothing's really super clear. Finally figured out what the issue was. If you've ever taken a jewel apart, right? I used a jewel for a while. Yeah, I'd throw it in the trash or something. But uh, there's a little valve, and when you inhale, it pulls that valve. It closes the circuit. It's just like a light switch. When you flip a switch on, it closes the circuit, allows electricity to pass through, turns the light on. Same idea here. Okay, there's a little valve inside here, and the juice, the liquid, if you're not religious about cleaning the bottom out, gets down in there eventually. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to take it apart, try to get the video like crystal clear and explain it well. But what it's doing is that firing after you inhale. So I'll see if I can get it to do it. See, it just keeps firing because when you inhale, that little valve gets stuck. I don't know if you can see down in there, there's a little air hole. I'll show you what that goes to. So hang tight. I will switch the camera view as I take this apart. Basically, all I'm going to need here, get my stuff. Okay, so all I'm going to need is, now, I have alcohol pads. I've got a shit ton of these. Okay. I'm going to try to like squeeze the alcohol out of them. I don't have rubbing alcohol. Don't feel like going to the store. Today's my lazy day. Except I really want to vape. And my other one is, it took a crap completely. Smok is taking forever to get back to me about warranty. Them. Anyway, alcohol, rubbing alcohol, alcohol wipes, doesn't matter. You need a very tiny screwdriver. Okay, don't do what I'm doing. I'm using a little flathead for Phillips head screws. Don't do that. Use a Phillips head. Okay. Also, maybe a couple Q-tips to clean out around, the grooves and such. Whatever. Again, alcohol, and you're going to need a set of tweezers, maybe that are manlier than these. This is the only pair I could find. They're my girlfriend's, but of course that's what I would say. Slanted tip, I guess. I don't know. Anyway, hang tight. I'm gonna switch the camera, huh? All right, so I'm gonna show you how to take this apart. I've already done this before, so just keep that in mind. God, I say a lot. This is just absurd. Anyway, I'm just prying away. Now there's basically a piece of double-sided tape under there. The first time you do it, it's going to be a little stubborn. There's also some clips. Take the front plate off, guys, the one that says Smok on it. Trust me, it will be easier, and it's worth unscrewing these two screws that you have to take out, okay? I'm using a flathead. It's the only thing I could get my hands on here, but go ahead and take those two screws out. Do not lose them. That's common sense. Like, I mean, seriously, don't lose those. You'll never find them again if you let them out of your sight. Pry the battery up. It is also kind of stuck to a piece of sticky double-sided Smok tape. Pull up and out. You'll see where the prongs come out there. All right. Now, if you look down in there, you're going to see, if I can get the lighting right, you're going to see that little air hole, which you can see anytime you take the pod out. That is where when you inhale, there's a tube or a channel that runs down to this little cup. And that little cup seals to the sensor, okay? That little sensor, or should I say the valve, is that little circle with the white on top, which I'll point to in a second here after I quit pressing buttons. Right here is the sensor valve, excuse me. I don't know why I'm saying that. Anyway, it's got a little piece of looks like cotton whatever on it. Anyway, Like I said, all I've got is alcohol pads. Now, what I'm about to do, don't do it, okay? Do not do it. Just whatever. I thought I just messed it up. I'm about to squeeze the alcohol out of the pad. Okay, use like a dropper or something a little bit more accurate, because basically I take this and just say forget it, and there it goes, and now it's all over the board. Fortunately, nothing happened, but as you can see, the little blue lights blinking on me. I don't know if that means it's like stopping itself from shorting out, or I don't know. I was kind of waiting for the battery to blow up right in front of the camera. Now I'm just trying to shake it off like an idiot. Like I said, just don't do what I did. Just don't do that. I don't really remember what I'm doing here, to be honest with you. This voiceover stuff's kind of tricky, huh? That I've got no memory. What am I doing? Oh, look, there's my reflection. I'm pretty sure I'm just shaking it out, blowing on it at this point, maybe. Trying to get the alcohol out. Okay, I'm done. Forget it. Now I'm just pretty much going to sit around and wait. Yeah. Ew. God, I can't believe I used to use a Juul like all the time. Yeah, these are handy. Yeah, you didn't see that. I'm not a sponsor of Chick-fil-A here. Now we're just going to throw this all back together. Obviously in the reverse order. Remember how I told you not to lose those screws? Hope you didn't lose them. I'd feel bad, really. I don't know why I'm like joking. I would feel terrible. Anyway, snap that front cover back on. You're all good. All right. The moment of truth. I got really impatient. Probably should have let it air out. I don't know. Alcohol, evaporates pretty quick. But under that little filter, I don't know. Anyway, we're gonna see if I was just talking shit in the beginning of the video, like I knew what I was doing or not. So. Well then. Well then. That's something, huh? Nope. Okay. Well, I can't remember. I mean, it hangs on just a second, but I mean, a second. I think it did that before. Anyway, I may go back in there and, do it one more time. I may move that little filter, which is probably a terrible idea because it probably holds the whatever's in that valve in place. Either way, I'm good with that. Yeah, it stops. Awesome. Okay, great. I feel like I did something, accomplished something today. Um, I can say I wasn't bullshitting. I don't understand vapes as much as most of you who are watching this probably do. You guys probably have a way better grasp on it than I do. I'm kind of a computer dork. I've got a thing with circuit boards and all. I know how electricity flows. That's it. But anyway, so I'm going to throw a few links in the description. You guys probably have toolkits. If you don't, I'm going to throw some links to a couple little kits, little supplies, stuff like that for this kind of thing that don't involve pinkish white slanted tweezers. Yeah, no, they're not even good for eating Chinese food. It's too slow. Also, little screwdrivers. This worked great, but anyway, appreciate you guys watching. I'm glad I got it back to normal. Hopefully Smok is gonna get back to me and freaking do y'all say Smok or Smoke? Because I said Smok for the longest time, and a bunch of dudes like blowing storm clouds started laughing at me, so started saying Smoke. I could be saying it wrong. Anyway, yeah, that's about it. That's about it. I'd say subscribe, but I may never do a video like this again. They're all kind of random. So subscribe to my channel. Look forward to more videos.